So in order to integrate PayPal with your AYM Plus, you need to create an app on developer.paypal.com. And inside of that app, you need to grab credentials for the client ID and the secret key. I'm not going to show the full secret key in this video, but you just copy and paste them and have them available. Then in backend, you select where you want to apply that payment. So in my instance, I want to pay for things. So I'm going to click on things. I'm going to click on actions, and I'm going to select PayPal. Inside of PayPal, I have, you can configure this action however you need it according to your custom needs. If you want to hit up different APIs or whatever. But basically, you just paste in your client ID and your secret key for these variables. When you're done with that, you can just save it. And you're going to have that application available. You can test it out, but you don't necessarily need to. There are basically two functions on the front-end client side of the application. One which asks for users' authorization token, which holds their card and all their information. So that's the charge function that hits the make PayPal payment in the backend service file. Again, you can configure this as however you want. So the one important thing is that you need to hit that action that we just created inside of backend. So for me, it's under things and it's called PayPal payment. So that's on things, and that action call is PayPal payment. So I'm hitting that, and I'm hitting that with the parameters of the amount. And the second action is the PayPal approval. So once the PayPal returns in a query string from the redirect the payment ID and the payer ID, that gets saved here, and then you hit it again with the appropriate parameters, and that actually executes the payment. So just a brief demo of this would be, I want to pay with PayPal. It's going to redirect me to PayPal. It's going to ask me for my username. This is we're currently in the sandbox. We're not live, so this is a test account. So this is going to be PayPal Pass login. It's going to show that that's the account that we want to use, and we want to use a pay card balance, or we can change it to a credit card, whatever. And I want to say continue. That's going to redirect back to the application with this payment ID as well as this payer ID. It's going to read that, make that call, and say successfully submitted, and clear the query string. That's it. That's PayPal integration. You can customize those API calls inside a backend to hit anything: subscriptions, refunds, whatever you want.